most important question of permutation. Let us see the question. Evaluate permutation of 15 3. So we can find very easy way. See. So this is permutation of 15 3. Means what? That is 15 P3. So you know the formula, that is NPR equal to n factorial upon n minus r. So we are finding 5P3. So this is 15 factorial. 15 minus 3 is what? 12. So this is 12 factorial. So 15 factorial what? 15 into 14 into 30 into 12. And now it is 12. So this 12 cancel out. So we will get what? 15 into 14 into 30. So 15 4 ja 60, 15 1 ja 56, 21 into 30. Now 13 1 ja 30, 13 0 0, 13 1 ja 13, 36, 27. So this is what? 2730 is our right answer. Let us see the question. If 2 into permutation of 5 3 equal to permutation of n4, then find n. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? This is 2 multiply. Permutation of 5 3 means what? That is the 5p3. And this equal to permutation of n4 means what? That is np4. So this is 2 and we know 5p3 is what? That is 5 factorial and divided by 5 minus 3, 2 factorial. And this equal to what? N factorial and divided by n minus 4 factorial. So this 2 and 2 factorial is cancelled out. We will get 5 factorial. 5, 4, 3, 2. And this equal to what? N factorial is n minus 1, n minus 2 and n minus 3. And after that n minus 4 and this is n minus 4. So this is n minus 4 factorial. So this and this cancel out. So we will get 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. And this is n into n minus 1, n minus 2 and this is n minus 3. So here 4 terms, here also 4 terms. So difference of 1 and here also difference of 1. So first number will be first. So our correct answer is what? N equal to 5 is our right answer. Let us see the question. Permutation of n minus 1 3. Ratio permutation of n4 equal to 1 ratio 9. Then find it. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? This is permutation of n minus 1 3 means what? N minus 1 P3. And this is ratio permutation of n4 means what? That is np4. And this is 1 ratio 9. So n minus 1 P3 is what? N minus 1 factorial and n minus 1 minus 3. So we will get what? N minus 4 factorial. And here ratio, this is what? N factorial and n minus 4 factorial. And this equal to 1 by 9. Now you know this is n minus 1, this is n minus 4, this is n minus 4. So we can write n minus 1 factorial and divide n minus 4 factorial. This ratio means what? Divide. So when we change in multiply, so it will what? N reciprocal n minus 4 factorial n. And this equal to what? 1 by 9. So this n minus 4 factorial and this cancel out. This is n factorial, this is n minus 1. So n minus 1 is less than n. So this is n minus 1, n factorial we can write n into n minus 1. 1 by 9. So this n minus 1 factorial cancel out when we go for cross multiplication and will be what? 9. So our correct answer is 9. Let us see the question. Prove that permutation of n equal to 2 into permutation of n minus 2. So let us see the question. So here take LHS. So LHS is given permutation of n. So you know permutation of n equal to what? npn. So this is n factorial and n minus n 0 factorial. And you know n factorial and 0 factorial is 1. So we will get to what? Only n factorial. Now this is RHS. RHS is given 2 multiply permutation of n minus 2. So we can write what? That is np n minus 2. So this equal to 2 multiply n factorial and divide n minus n plus 2, that will get only 2. So this 2 cancel and this is what? N factorial. So LHS equal to RHS. This is proved. Let us see the question. How many 4-digit numbers can be made if digits are not repeated? So we have to make 4-digit numbers. So just make a 4 box. So this is 1, 2 and 3. Now you know digit is not given. So total digit we will use. So 0 to 9 total digit. So this place we cannot use 0. So we have how many choice? 9 choice. And here we can use any number except the number which we have written. So again in 10 number, 1 number left. So we have again 9 choice. Now we have how many choice? 8 choice. And here 7 choice. So total number of words will be what? 9 into 9, 8 into 7. So this is 9 9 is 81, 7 8 is 56. So just multiply this number, you will get your right answer. So 6 1 is 6, 6 8 is 48, 5 1 is 5, 5 8 is 46, 8 5 13, 5. So answer is what? 4 5 3 6. This is your correct answer.